Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Hartwell. I'm here with Georgie. Hello! And it's time for our sound work, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to work on is rhyme. I want you to remember rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end of the word, okay? Like hot, pot. Those sound the same at the end. They both end in ot. So today's rhyme is and. I want you to think of words that rhyme with and. Like hand. And, hand, band, like a rubber band. Sand, thumbs up if you like to play in the sand. I love to play in the sand. Stand. Land, so there's water and land. So and, band, stand, land, sand, hand. So many words that rhyme with and. Okay, now I want you to be thinking about the beginning sound. So which word begins like yesterday? Singer or yellow? Yellow and yesterday begin the same. Which word begins like atlas? Baking or appetizer? Appetizer. Appetizer, atlas. Which word begins like octopus? Ostrich or gather? Ostrich. Which word begins like upper? Us or never? Us and upper both begin with that sound. Which word begins like diamond? Cactus or deeper? Deeper and diamond. All right, ready? It's time to blend. So let's get your choppers ready. I'm going to say the sounds, and then I want you to say the sounds, and then we'll blend them together to find out what the word is. Okay, you ready? Here we go. R-I-M. Now you do it. R-I-M. Rim. Add. Add. Had. Leg. Your turn. Leg. Leg. K-id. Your turn. K-id. Kid. T-ot. T-ot. Tot. A tot could be like a little kid or it could be a tater tot. Have you ever had a tater tot? Delicious. Okay, ready? Z-ap. Your turn. Z-ap. Zap. Excellent blending. Y-es. Y-es. Yes. M-up. M-up. Mop. W-eb. Your turn. W-eb. Web. And our last one, b-un. Now you do it. B-un. Bun. This is such an important skill when we're learning to read, is to be able to say the sounds and blend them together. Okay, now we're going to do our middle sounds. And you know, when we're listening for the middle sounds, we can ride a roller coaster. Sometimes your roller coaster can go up over a big hill. Sometimes it can go down a big hill. Today we're going to do a loop-de-doop. So watch how I do it. Ready? So get on your roller coaster. Whoop, in a loop. Good. And we'll say our middle sound here. So beginning sound, middle sound, ending sound. Here we go. Rug. Say the word. Rug. Roller coaster. Ugh. Middle sound. Here we go. Dash. Dash. On your roller coaster. Ash. Middle sound. Ah. Nod. Nod. Odd. Ah. Much. 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 Gem. Gem. J-em. Sick. Sick. Go. Sick. I. Hum. Hum. Excellent. All right, let's see what's next. Next, we're going to chop up our words. So make sure your choppers are ready again. Good. And today, we're going to chop into each individual sound. Okay, so every single sound that you hear in the word. All right, ready? Here we go. Guess. Now you say it. Guess. G-S. Fun. You say it. Fun. Now chop it. Pet, pet, et, zip, 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 dot, dot, ot, tub, 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 ran, 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 wig, 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 red, red, red. Last one, lap, lap, lap. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to say the end of the word, and then I want you to say it. We're going to put a sound on the beginning and find out what the word is. Here we go. Uff. Your turn. Uff. Add k, cuff. At. Add b, bat. Ed. Add r, red. Ill. Add w, will. Add s, set. Beautiful. Now we're going to take that first sound off and find out what's left. Ready? The word is wet. Say wet. Wet without w is et. Den. Den without d is n. Rib. Rib without r is ib. Mud. Mud without m is ud. Pod. Pod without p is odd. Now we're going to change that first sound, okay? And just changing a first sound can take one word into a completely different word. Okay. Him, you say it. Him, change h to d, dim. Ran, change to f, fan. Met, change to s, set. Sub, change s to r, rub. Nut, you say it. Nut, change n to h, hut. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and do our letters and sounds. All right, we're going to go through and we're going to say the letter and then the sounds. Do the hand movements with me if you can. Okay, ready? Letter W, sound W. Letter A, sound A. Second sound A. Letter O, sound A. Second sound O. Letter B, sound B. Letter H, sound H. This is one of my favorites because it's at the beginning of Hartwell. Letter R, sound R. Letter U, sound A. Second sound U. Letter D, sound D. Letter I, sound I. Second sound I. Letter N, sound N. Letter F, sound F. Letter K, sound K. Letter C, sound K. Second sound S. Letter X, sound X. Letter Q, sound Qu. Letter P, sound P. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter M, sound M. Letter G, sound G. Second sound J. Letter T, sound T. Letter V, sound V. Letter Y, sound Y. Can also say E or I. Letter J, sound J. Letter S, sound S. Letter L, sound L. Last one. Letter E, sound E. Second sound E. Okay, we have a new nursery rhyme this week. And this week's nursery rhyme, the title is Little Jack Horner. And I'm going to teach you the first two lines today. Wait, put my camera up just a little so you can see it. There we go. Okay, so if you notice at the top, I have the title and it has a line under it. Remember, the title is the name of our poem. Okay. All right, Little Jack Horner. Let's count how many words are in that title. Ready, go. Little Jack Horner. 3 words. Let's count them up here. 1, 2, 3. Notice how we're jumping over those spaces. Those spaces are what separates our words. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner. I hear rhyming words. I'm going to read it to you again, and you tell me if you can hear the rhyming words. You ready? Little Jack Horner sat in the corner. Did you hear him? Horner, corner. They rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Okay, I have a word that I'd like us to read together. It's this word right here. And I'm going to write it bigger down here. And in order to figure this word out, we're going to use one of our really important reading strategies. This one is called say the sounds, blend them together. It's one of our most important strategies as readers, okay? So we're going to point to the letters, say the sounds they make, and then blend them together. Ready? Do it with me. Sat. That's the word sat right there. Sat. And I spy a sight word. What's that word? The. Let's read it again. Read it with me. Little Jack Horner. Ready? Read. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner. I can't wait to find out what happens tomorrow. Excellent job, kindergarten. Georgie, how did they do today? Terrific! Nice job. See you soon, kindergarten.